I've seen my parents get it all and also very quickly lose it all. So, yeah, that's one of my biggest fears.
This is a series about life and money. Managing your finances can really be tough, especially if you're going at it alone. I am Nicolette Mashile, and welcome to Sanlam's Money Meetups. Today we're chatting to Peter. He's a 28-year-old tech entrepreneur and a coder with some crazy big plans. He's been so busy making money and growing his businesses that he hasn't stopped to think how his money can work for him. This is Craig. He is the financial planner from Sanlam, and he's probably the best person to be able to help you manage your finances.
What is it effectively that you would like to achieve financially?
I guess more security in choices I make.
What are the fears that you have?
I've seen my parents get it all and also very quickly lose it all. It got to a level where they couldn't manage it because they were taking bigger risks at the wrong times. But I wish I was there at that time, because then I would have been able to help them. It's kind of like a mixture of guilt and regret. So, yeah, that's one of my biggest fears.
We don't want you to go through that same situation. So I do think what we should do is put some income protection in place for you, seeing that you are your income. And because of that income that you generate from your different businesses and different sources, I feel that you need a tax break. So having a retirement annuity in place will give you that tax break. That break that you get compounded over a lot of years is actually a massive saving that you've experienced through your parents, that they have created wealth and then lost the wealth. But we don't want the same to happen to you, so we should by now diversify already, just to protect some of that wealth.
Just a quick catch up now that you've digested the entire process. How was it meeting with Craig?
Yeah, no, he's a really fun guy, you know. The whole process was really easygoing. You know, it was like I just bumped into some guy at a bar and we're having a chat, you know. I was really surprised with the numbers. I was not expecting to save that much money.
I'm so glad that we could help you. Thank you very much for going through this process with us.
Cool, thank you so much.
If you're just getting started like Peter is, let me tell you, time is on your side. Not only does the RA give you awesome tax breaks and help you save, but the income protection lets you do what you love with a safety net. Don't wait to get started. Our Sanlam financial planners will help you out no matter your situation.